I'm gonna check on my dragon fruit flower. I think it's blooming tonight. Yep, there it is. Got one of them blooming tonight. Right here. They only bloom at night for one night, a little bit into the morning. Got two more right there, aren't ready yet to bloom. Probably, I'm guessing tomorrow. This one here is gonna be really soon also, and I have another one over there that's going to be blooming soon, but this is blooming tonight, so I need to make sure it gets pollinated. So you have to take the pollens from these little, I'm getting on the edges. You have to take pollen from those little thingies, and put it into that thing. Self-pollinating, but there's a bug bothering me. All right, I'll be right back and try to finish that up. Okay, to pollinate this, I usually get a Q-tip, or what do you call them, ear swab, and I usually put a little bit of alcohol in it just to, I'm not really sure why, a video I watched told me to do that, so, or something I read, I can't remember where I got the information. Maybe it helps the pollen to stick to the Q-tip better. Then I just put it in here, do it some more, wiggle it around, get as much pollen as you possibly can onto it. Just put it in here. Just want to make sure that it gets pollinated. Sometimes I even like grab some of these little pollen, I forgot what they're called, stems, I don't know. Anyway, grab those and just put it right inside there. So I think tomorrow, hopefully these other two are gonna open up tomorrow. This one over here is really big. I thought that was gonna open first actually, but it didn't. And I have one over by the other tree over there that hopefully they all pollinate, or they're gonna open tomorrow, and then I can pollinate them all together and cross-pollinate them, and that's what I'm gonna try to do. But I mean, I think they're all from the same kind of dragon fruit plant. Originally is from the same plant that just I cut stems off and replanted to make more. So sorry about the camera. I don't have anyone helping me do this right now, so I'm holding the camera and trying to do this at the same time. I think it got a lot of pollen on there, so it should be good. So, and I don't know, I can't remember how long it takes for the fruit to come along, but this bottom part of the flower will eventually turn into a fruit. And I'll show you the other one that's already been pollinated. It's starting to get there. It's kind of a small one, but I'll walk over there and show you. So I think this is going to open tomorrow, and then I had one that was already pollinated over here. It's kind of in the dark, it's hard to see right now, but that's the original flower, and then this part is turning into the fruit. Once it is ready, it's going to be really big and kind of magenta colored, and then we'll be able to harvest it. All right.